Hello, inside this box here is a RYOBI 230 PSI compact high pressure washer, and I believe that says RACPWS5, which is likely the model number. Now I've cut the tape here, but I have not opened the box yet to see what contents we get inside. So let's open it up. We'll have a look. And we get an envelope, sealed envelope. We've got a manual in there, or it might just have warranty information, I guess. Let's just see what we get in here. Yeah, it's some warranty information and a manual for RACPWS5. Yep, just showing all the bits and pieces. Step-by-step guide in here, where most likely we'll need that soon. Put that over there. And what else have we got? Get the hose that goes to the gun thing, whatever you call it. We have this thing, obviously to manage the soap level, and you have a container, which I assume is for the soap, so that probably goes in there. Somehow it goes in there. What else have we got? It's one part of the and that's another part. We'll have a look in the manual soon for that. Bag of other bits. Some more attachments. Obviously we get the main core unit here, and a wee buggy, obviously to put our little bits and pieces into, maybe. So, and also the trigger section of your gun. Release mechanism here, a bit where you push in and out. It says here it's lightweight, anti-tip design. Yeah, I guess so. 1/4 inch quick connect accessories, which are those little things in the bag here and stuff. Compact storage fits nicely into tight spaces. Well, this is quite a small unit compared to the size of a lot of other pressure washers. That is quite small, especially at 20-30 PSI capacity. That's quite a nice size. What have we got here? So we've got the power cord here, obviously. I have a little attachment with a QR code here to learn more about the pressure washer. And we have the manual here. There's the on-off switch. Oh yeah, big clunky on-off buttons. I like that. There's some sort of lock and unlock mechanism here. Okay, that probably locks in and out the hose there. I'll screw in the back here. And there's another hose attachment around here. That's probably for your main hose. One's going to be in and one's going to be out, one side or the other. We'll have a look in the manual. Step 1. You get this and that. That goes that way. Okay, if I press that, it comes apart. Okay, that looks easy. Pull back quick connector collar. And they're showing how to connect things like the water bottle and stuff to the unit. Yeah. Ah, right, okay. So we can take this thing out of here that came pre-attached, and then we can attach other things like, let's see if we can attach the water bottle. So put that in there. That slides around like that. Okay, so the water bottle's attached, and we can attach that like that. Aha! Look at that. Well, I'm going to take that off. We'll just put in something else for now, so we can. But that's how you put that on. That's easy. We've got these two other types of nozzles here. So it came with this by default on there, and we can change it to whatever this one is. Yeah, we can put that on there. Or we can put, no, not that, that's for something else. So we can put that on there, like that. Cool, so I'll put the default one back in there first. So that's so we can easily change between that and that nozzle. Now, the hose. Ah, I see. So that this attaches to here. So I'm going to screw this bit here off the side there, and I can screw that on here. I think it's telling me yes, like that. And that can be, then your typical hose attachment will likely fit onto that. You'll click onto that and they'll go to your garden hose bit. So your garden hose goes to there. And you're showing us this hose. So this is the hose that I assume would go to this, which attaches to this. So we get rid of these this plastic, and this should attach here somehow to there. So this is going to here. That's right. I already know where the other end's going. I just want to. Yeah, it's just showing off about the garden hose there. I don't know what to come back to that for. Okay, let's come back to here. Got to this step now. That goes in there, and you swivel it like that. That locks in like that, by the looks of it. We'll take it out, we can turn it like that. Okay, that works. Nice and long. On this other end of the hose, I assume it would go in here. So this would lock in there like that. And And because we've got this locking mechanism here, I don't know if you can see that properly there, but you push, I think you push it up and then you can take it out. Can't think of any more steps to that, to be honest. What else do we do here? Under here, right, okay. There's a switch under here. Ah, right, okay. So that releases your trigger here, so you can adjust the, I assume you adjust the pressure by how far you push that in and out. There's also this release mechanism here. Oh, that's to release the hose. Okay, so to take the hose out, you push in this release mechanism and then it comes out. Right. Well, I think we have it all together. You obviously need to plug this power lead in somewhere. And away we go. Caution, to squeeze trigger until water flows normally. Always remove the existing air pressure within the product before operation. I think it says here, but once you hook it up, hold it down for 30 seconds and let it fill up, and then go ahead and do your cleaning. Yeah, there's a attached bit of metal on the back of the manual here. I'm not sure what that's for. Maybe it's the clogged nozzle or something. Not really clear. I'll just keep looking through the manual and see if it lets me know. It's got some instructions there for cleaning the product, replacing the O-rings, using the detergent bottle. Now I did get some detergent, some pre-mixed detergent that we can put in the bottle if you wanted to test that. I think I just want to test it blasting water first before I try that. Okay, yeah, the rest here looks to do more with maintenance, cleaning and replacing O-rings. Yeah, you do consumable bits. More on storing the product. Yeah, probably good to lock the device. I'll unlock that, so I'll just lock that back up for now. Right, so far, looks good. We can plug it in now and give it a go. So I've got the extension lead here. So I can run that from inside the house. And I did get some pre-mixed detergent here. It's got a picture of a car on the front. So that's actually for released by Karcher, who have their own line of pressure washers. And it should help to basically put a layer of foam over the car and then just wash it all off again by taking that back off and putting on just a standard nozzle. That's a pre-mix. You can get it in a concentrate as well, 1 litre concentrate. We may try that. I'm not sure if I'll try that just yet. I just want to see if I can blast some water out of my car. So let's give that a go, shall we?
Well, it's not very tight. Yeah. As predicted, it can clean off. Which means this is not good enough. So that connector, you're going to need a better seal. I've come here to the hardware store, Bunnings in Doncaster, and I believe I found what I need. I just need one of those, which I'm trying to find if I can get them separately down here, or if I need to buy this bulk pack. They got other types of adapters. I mean, any of these will probably do it. It's just, this is the same brand as the one that's on my hose, that's all. I just want to cover all bases, but I think I can use any of these. I'll get one of these, and I'll get one of these. It means it's got plenty of adapters in. And I believe the 12mm looks right, I would say. Whoever got that hose and set it up first place no doubt got one of these violet sets.
So it was on the whole time. Okay, now I'll take this one off. Put this one on. See how that goes. Soap coming out. Let's turn it on. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, but whatever time it is, wherever you are.